On January 14th, DJI launched the FLIP, a drone unlike anything they had ever created before. It is the brand's first drone with foldable propeller guards. On DJI's official website, it was announced as a drone designed for vlogging, meaning it's a practical and agile selfie drone, similar to the Neo but with more features and a higher quality 3-axis camera. It boasts almost the same specifications as the Mini 4 Pro. Before the launch of the FLIP, there were many questions about which category this drone would fit into, whether its weight would be under 250 grams, if the gimbal would have 2 or 3 axes, if it would feature a LiDAR sensor, and whether it would be an FPV drone. Almost all these questions were answered after its launch, but one issue remained unclear. Is it or is it not an FPV-compatible drone? Late last year, a reliable DJI insider leaked information stating that the FLIP was registered under DJI's FPV drone line, suggesting it would be a hybrid drone capable of both cinematic and FPV flights. However, after the launch, none of this was confirmed, and DJI's official channels do not list any compatibility of the FLIP with the Goggles 3, the N3, or DJI's FPV controllers. Those who already have the FLIP in hand have also tried connecting it to the goggles, but it didn't work. Physically, the FLIP has a feature very common in FPV drones: propeller guards. These are especially useful for indoor flights, and DJI emphasized the lightness and durability of this solution. Due to the size of its propellers, the FLIP's guards are much larger than those on the avata. However, to ensure the rigidity of the structure, DJI innovated by launching the first drone with carbon fiber spokes on both the top and bottom of the propellers. Although not particularly attractive aesthetically, these spokes provide excellent firmness and safety for the rotor assembly. With the launch of the Neo, DJI introduced a new market niche called selfie drones. This new segment targets beginners who need a portable, practical, and easy-to-use drone, as they only want a few photos and videos from unique angles to post on their social media. This trend has proven very promising, confirmed by the sales success of the Neo. The most established niche in the market remains personal use drones, where it all began. Its main pioneer was the Phantom, followed by the Mavic series and its smaller descendants, such as the Air and Mini lines. This lineage also gave rise to corporate and agricultural drones, such as the Matrice and Agras. DJI also noticed the parallel development of another promising market: FPV drones. The company decided to enter this niche, first by offering accessories and later by launching dedicated drones like the DJI FPV and the Avata. The success of the Neo lies in its ability to combine features from various niches. The practicality of a selfie drone, capable of executing pre-programmed movements without a controller, either through the app or even voice commands. It shares some features with the Mini line, such as portability and a high-quality 4K camera, and also incorporates functionalities from the Avata, like agility, propeller guards, and the ability to perform FPV flights. Everything led us to believe that the FLIP would be a sort of improved Neo, offering the same practicality and features that place it in the selfie drone category, but with more traits of a personal use drone, such as better camera quality, greater range, and extended battery life, approaching the Mini 4 Pro. Like the Neo, the FLIP was also expected to retain agility, propeller guards, and FPV flight capabilities similar to the Avata. But for some unknown reason, DJI decided to complicate things and surprisingly launched the FLIP without any compatibility with its FPV equipment. This move ended up creating a new and somewhat odd category, which they called the vlog drone. This inconsistency caused significant disappointment, as it doesn't make much sense for an affordable drone like the Neo to be fully compatible with all FPV devices while the much more expensive Flip is not. I can only assume this is part of some marketing strategy, or perhaps the Flip encountered a last-minute technical issue, and DJI decided to release it anyway to avoid missing the already announced launch date. I prefer to believe that DJI will reconsider this strategy soon and enable compatibility in the next firmware update. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates that I'll be posting soon. Thanks for watching.